Okay, so now we'll just take a quick look back at vocabulary. Some of the vocabulary for systems is pretty important. First, you've actually seen a system. You guys have actually been working with systems that, like if you have a graph and you have one solution, well, systems with at least one solution, at least one, are called consistent systems. So this would be a consistent system. Okay, now it says at least. Okay, well, let's take a look at this one here. We're just going to draw a couple parallel lines. Boom. And boom. Is there at least one solution? No. So this is an inconsistent solution. Inconsistent means that it has no solution whatsoever, and therefore it's an inconsistent, inconsistent system. I don't know why I said solution. It's an inconsistent system. Okay? And so we have the one solution, no solution, and then we have the, you've got it, infinitely many solutions. Here we'll just use, and those actually are kind of like two lines, or the exact identical lines. But it has at least one solution. Actually, it has infinitely many solutions, and therefore that is considered a consistent system as well. And so the big idea, guys, is consistent and inconsistent. Inconsistent being parallel lines. All the rest of them that you find are considered consistent. And here we're actually looking at systems that have one solution. We'll just kind of take a look at that real quick. One solution. So if you were to graph it and you see 1 point, you got one solution. If you were to graph it or see that you have the same slope, same y-intercept, then you have infinitely many solutions. You just go on forever in this direction and forever in this direction. Okay, infinite. But there's one other vocabulary. Consistent systems can either be independent or dependent. So an independent system is one that has exactly one solution. So this is called independent. Okay, independent. And a dependent system has infinitely many solutions, the graph of which consists of two coincident or coinciding lines. So you have independent and then dependent. How much you need to remember this? You probably don't need to remember it too much, but I would definitely say that the consistent and inconsistent systems, which I just showed you a minute or two ago, that's pretty important, because as we get ready for our trimester 2 test, we're going to see that you're going to be asked how many solutions does this one have, and you may solve it and find out that you have infinitely many, and I just don't want you to get confused about that. Okay? Talk to you later.